Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 5th May 2024. In this video, let us generate the weekly reports. Even before that, a small announcement, please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training videos are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. So please visit our channel and click on this community tab. And here you can find the post that provides you access to the training videos. You just click on this link and it will take you to the playlist Supply Demand Zone Price Action course, where you can find all the training lessons. Just scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in the Telegram channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we'll provide an update in that channel. Even all the old videos and all the old lessons, everything you can access from our Telegram channel. Now let's get into the report generation with the help of NeoStock software, Supply Demand Zone Top-Down Analysis Strategy Builder. Now we are going to generate weekly reports. So here entry time frame is weekly. Let us find the stocks near weekly demand zone. These 5 stocks are filtered near to the weekly demand zone. I'll be giving you only few seconds time and then move on to the next report. You please pause the video and you can study all the columns. If required, you can also draw the zones in your charts using the timestamps provided at leg in and leg out, and also the number of base candles. In case if you did not understand this report, you are not aware of all these columns and their abbreviations, so please go through our training lesson 21.1. In that video, I explained each and every column in detail and their abbreviations. In case if you are not aware of supply demand zone concepts, don't get into these reports until you complete your training program up to lesson 20. Lesson 1 to 10 are part of phase 1 training program and lesson 11 to 20 are part of phase 2 training program. So how to study our training lessons? I have provided the instructions at our Telegram channel. Please refer the old post. You can find how to study the training lessons. Okay, now I am going back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks near weekly supply zone. These 4 stocks are filtered which are near to the weekly supply zone. I am going back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks where price closed inside weekly demand zone. So this is the filtered list. Let me scroll down. So total 25 stocks where price closed inside weekly demand zone. So let me generate the next report. Going back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks where price closed inside weekly supply zone. So this is the filtered list. Let me scroll down. So total 27 stocks are filtered. So I am going back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks that tested the demand zones, weekly demand zones during this week. So these 5 stocks demand zones are tested during this week. That means 5 weekly demand zones are tested. So let me go back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks having tested supply zones. So 7 stocks are filtered. And these 7 supply zones are tested during this week. So Bandhan Bank is a all-time low weekly supply zone. It doesn't have a demand zone. Okay, now let's find newly created demand and supply zones during this week. Let me go back. For weekly time frame, let us find stocks having newly created weekly demand zones. So 16 stocks. These 16 stocks are having newly created weekly demand zones. So let me go back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks having newly created weekly supply zones. So 8 stocks are filtered. All these 8 stocks are having newly created weekly supply zones during this week. Okay, now let us generate the stocks having a weekly EMA confluence. So I am selecting the entry time frame as a weekly. Here we have to generate 2 reports. One is demand zones having weekly EMA confluence. Second report, supply zones having weekly EMA confluence. So first demand zones, let us focus. So that's why entry zone should be demand zone. And we are looking for EMA confluence. Because we are looking for EMA confluence, which time frame? Weekly. So in weekly, demand zone should have weekly EMA confluence. This is the one, DZ underscore WEMAC. DZ means demand zone, W means weekly. So EMA exponential moving average, and C means confluence. Weekly EMA confluence. But when weekly EMA confluence is really makes sense only in trending market, not in ranging market. So that is the reason why, because it is a demand zone, always we need uptrend related market, we need the confluence, not downtrend. Demand zone weekly EMA confluence we don't want. So that is the reason why what I am going to do, going to set the trend. The zone violation trend I am giving first preference. In case if the list is very big, then our pivot trend, high lows also, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low. That trend also we will select. If only stocks matching both these trends, if the list is big. If the list is small, let us limit to zone violation trend. Okay, here what is our goal in weekly time frame? The trend should be uptrend. So what exactly the meaning? Trend is uptrend. In the uptrend, we are looking for the stocks having a weekly EMA confluence. So we have set the zone violation trend. Now let us filter the stocks. So we got a very big list. Because the Nifty is near all-time high, that's why many stocks are currently supporting uptrend. So we got a big list, but for our reference, first let me scroll down. After that, we will further filter. So total 58 stocks are having a uptrend, and also they are having weekly EMA confluence. Demand zone having weekly EMA confluence. So let's further reduce. So let me go back. Now what I am going to do, already we set the trend, zone violation trend as uptrend in weekly, and even higher high, lower high trend also should be uptrend. If both are matching, then there is no ambiguity in those stocks. So that's why here also I am selecting uptrend. Let us check how many stocks supporting both the trends as uptrend. Remaining filters are same. Demand zone, WEMAC. Now list is reduced. Now it's come down to 30 stocks. So this is the first 22 stocks. I'll be giving you a few seconds. Now let me scroll down. So total 30 stocks. All bright green color zones, they are indicating all-time high zones. They don't have supply zones. Only few stocks are having demand zone as well as supply zone. Okay, this is about stocks having uptrend and also having a weekly EMA Confluence. Now let us look for supply zones are having weekly EMA Confluence, but trend should be downtrend. So I am selecting the time frame as weekly. Now entry zone should be supply zone because we are going for supply zone EMA Confluence. So in the EMA Confluence, weekly time frame, we are looking for supply zone having weekly EMA Confluence, SZ_WEMAC. And the trend, zone violation trend. The weekly trend should be downtrend. We want those stocks. If the list is big, then we will look for even a pivot high-low. If list is small, let us limit to our supply demand zone concepts only. So now I am filtering the stocks. 12 stocks are filtered. All these 12 stocks are having something is wrong. I have selected the trend as uptrend. That is wrong. I have to select trend as a downtrend. I'm sorry. Sorry for the mistake. I'm changing the trend as a downtrend. Zone violation trend is downtrend. Now let me filter. So only 5 stocks are filtered. Currently these 5 stocks are supporting downtrend, and also all the supply zones are having weekly EMA Confluence. Wipro, Kotak Bank, Burger Paints, Bandhan Bank. Okay, because the list is small, let me limit to this. I'm not looking for again further filtering these stocks. Now the last report, what I do, I will generate the complete list of supply demand zones for weekly time frame. Forever, maybe you might be having some favorite stocks. You want to refer them. So I will show you the complete list so that you know what exactly the position in your favorite stocks. So I am selecting entry time frame as weekly. I am not setting any filters. I am generating the complete report. So in this report, the first 17 are indices, sectorial indices, and remaining all are equity stocks listed in F&O segment. I keep on scrolling this list by giving you only few seconds time. So if any of your favorite stock you want to refer, please pause the video. Okay, I'm scrolling down. So this is the end of the report. Hope this information will be useful to you for our further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.